welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how to make one ingredient no glue clear slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification Scott from my last video is also want to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so this recipe is super easy on how to make one ingredient no glue clear slime. You only need one thing basically. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is any type of body wash. I'm using this Olay one. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to get out my bowler plate and I'm going to put the body wash into here. And I'm just using an airtight container. I'm going to add the body wash into here now. And now all I have to do is I'm just going to mix this up for about 1 minute to 5 minutes. It sounds like a lot, but you need a lot of mixing so the soap can get super thick and turn into a slime consistency. So I'm going to get mixing it now. Okay, so that's enough mixing, and now you can see it got super thicker and there's a lot more bubbles in here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my airtight container lid on here. And this part is really crucial. You can add whatever you want into the soap. You can add food coloring, you can add glitter, you can add whatever. For the one I showed in the beginning of the video, I just added some more food coloring, so that's why it's a darker pink. But I'm going to leave it how it is now. And now I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at it and see if it's working. And if I think it's not working, just mix it up some more, and if it looks like it's fine, leave it in there. And make sure it's the fridge, not the freezer, because the freezer will freeze the soap. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours, and here is the soap. So let's get taking a look at it. And it looks like it got really thick. I did mix it up a lot. And I can tell that it's kind of like a slime consistency. It definitely got thicker. And it kind of reminds me a lot of goo. But I feel like this would be good to like wash your hands with or something, because you can see that it's kind of really sticky. But this was me trying this body wash for the first time. The one I used right here is actually just Suave shampoo, and it turned out really good, as you can tell. So this was just Suave shampoo, and I mixed it up and put it into the fridge for about 2 hours. So you can see the two different consistencies of how different soaps can make slime. Like this one is the Olay one, and this one is the Suave Kids shampoo. And I think I like the Suave one a lot better. But this one is really awesome for just washing your hands, or just, you know, it's kind of like a goo. It's just really thickened soap in the end, which that's kind of what all my no glue slime recipes are. It's just really easy 1 ingredient and 2 ingredient slime recipes. But I think this turned out awesome. And I think it'd be really good for washing your hands or something, but I really do love the Suave one at the end of the day. This has been one of my favorite recipes for a while. It's just Suave shampoo, and it makes a really awesome like jelly-like slime. It does melt after a while, but this one will be always one of my favorite no glue slime recipes. But this was how to make no glue clear slime, 1 ingredient only. I tried out a new soap today, and this is the Olay one. It worked okay. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. I tried out something new. But I really hope you guys liked this video today. Sorry the setup is kind of different. I'm changing my lighting up in my basement, so I just had to film in my room today. But yeah, this recipe was a huge win-win for me. It is kind of still watery and very sticky, but again, it would be great for just washing your hands. And I really do recommend just a Suave shampoo for making any type of no glue clear slime. But yeah, I hope you guys loved this video today. Remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked in the description box down below. But remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!